Hi everyone, this is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today I'm going to talk about the do's and don'ts of using beard soap, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get the most out of your beard soap and make it last a very long time. So your beard soap arrives, you head into the shower, and the first thing you're going to do is get a nice lather. So what I would do is I'd roll it between my hands for at least 10 or 15 seconds, get a good lather up, and then put it on your beard. This is beard soap. It's a little bit softer than a regular hard soap that you may use for washing your hands. So what you don't want to do is be using this 5 or 6 times a day on your hands. Try to keep it for your beard and your face. You know, as you've seen from other videos, there's argan oil, there's shea butter, there's coconut oil, really great ingredients in this beard soap. So it'd be best to just leave it for your beard and face. So you've got a nice lather, you rub it in. What you want to do then is, once you've washed off the soap, what you want to do is just be careful of the eyes. It is a soap, so it does have sodium hydroxide in it, so it will sting a little bit if it does get into the eyes, so just keep it away from this area. Once you're done, what you don't want to do is you don't want to put your beard soap in a soap dish that doesn't have any holes in it. That basically is just going to allow it to sit in water, and that is going to slowly disintegrate your soap. The best thing you can do is when you're coming out of the shower, take the soap with you, and if you have a proper soap kind of tray with like bamboo style sticks that kind of crisscross and there's holes underneath, you can lay it on that, or you can lay it on some kind of tray that has holes in it and allows the water to drain. If you've none of that, you can simply tear off a piece of cardboard and sit your wet soap on the cardboard, and that will dry out naturally. What I do with my soap, I only use it probably once a day, and that gives you at least 4 to 6 weeks of use from the beard soap. If you are traveling and you want to take your beard soap with you, my suggestion would be to let it dry out fully first, and then pop it in a Ziploc bag, and then put it in your luggage, and you're good to go. So those little tips, the small tips, will care for your beard soap. And like I said, it is a great quality beard soap, so you want it to last as long as possible. I've chosen the ingredients especially for beards, like I said, with the argan oil and the shea butter and coconut oil, so be sure not to use it on your hands. You can get another soap for that and just focus on your beard. Hope those tips help. Hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe if you do, and I'll see you in the next one.